guys, today I actually forgot. I got these fidgets from my birthday party that I went to at this place called Beach Club, and we're gonna go there today, but these poppets just reminded me I have to show you guys. So I got 3. First is this pink unicorn poppet, this Minnie Mouse poppet, and this octopus. Isn't that so cute? I have a lot of octopus poppets and I love them. So let me open this one first. So I thought that just said expensive. It said expressions. Wait, listen.
Hi guys.
Oh my god. Wait, show them you. Let me see you. Look how cute my brother is. Here, let me pick him up. Look at his pants. He's so cute. And this is a really big pop. It is very loud that I love. I'm gonna do the loud side with all the pops. Do it. Oh wow. That's a lot. Alright, now
Teddy bear.
okay, let me show them mine.
I got this. And I got this Mickey Mouse baby.
No, show them. Show them. They didn't see it.
I got 2 of this. I picked 2 of this.
Here, let me show you. So this is what toys we got. Let me show them. Look, so we
I
got
saw
this
those.
baby mouse,
I
Mickey
got-
Mouse, this bear. I want this. Show them that one.
I got cat.
They can't see it. They can't see it. They didn't see it. And Incredible's dad. Here you go. I'm gonna give this poppet a 10 out of 10.
This
Okay, put it back on. Now let's open this Minnie Mouse. I hate when that happens. Oh, I'm getting it. Yay, I made a hole. They're mostly
in the
pink.
octopus.
So let's try it. Alright, let's do it with all the pops. I don't think I'm going to pop all them because it's really hard because the pops are small. Okay, there we go. 3, 2, 1. Okay, ready? Wait. Okay, and hey! Okay, wait. I'm gonna give this a 8 out of 10. I like it, but I think it's 9.5. Now let's open. Oh, look how satisfying that is. Ready?
I want
Now
to
let's
try.
open. It says Orbi Sensory Octopus Bubble.
Dad, get me. Dad.
Yeah. Yeah. I can't even open this. I'm gonna go get help. Now let's open it. I think I'm gonna like this one. Oh. What? Oh my god, they added too much glue.
I
Let's
want
see.
to try.
Wait. Oh my god, that's so good. So look, it's an octopus face, and I just realized it's an octopus face. And then it's a sad face. Isn't that so funny? Oh my god. Now let's try and with all the pops. 3, 2, 1.
Say E.
Now it's ready.
You
3,
say E?
2, 1.
Just say the letter E.
That's so good. Now guys, I'm gonna have to go. I hope you guys like this video. If you did, smash that like button, subscribe, and also turn on and press that bell so you can get notified every time I post a new video. Bye guys.